This is Douglas with DW Automotive Detail. Today we have an 87 Silverado here. Unfortunately, the gentleman had his bumper repainted, but the guy decided to take upon himself to do a paint correction on the paint, and as you can see, left quite a bit of rotary marks and this nasty haze that's all over the paint itself. So again, guys, you want to make sure that when you're doing such a level of service with paint correction that you actually get with somebody who knows what they're doing. This guy really tried to do an extra favor and use a rotary to buff out the whole entire paint, in terms of like blending it for the newly painted paint up in the front. But for the most part, there are some sections where there are heavy rotary marks and haze. On this side, you won't see it as much since we're not really facing the sun, but there are some under the light. And likewise up here, you can kind of see rotary marks where the gentleman went back and forth. So again, guys, you want to make sure that you get with someone who really understands not only paint but also how to use their tool. Now, I'm not saying that a rotary doesn't create a great finish, but learning how to finish with a rotary can be sometimes a difficult task. So,
All right, so we just finished up here. Look how we improved the paint with our paint enhancement. So this is our most basic package in terms of paint correction. Generally, it gets about 40% of the defects. In this case, we saw a significant improvement, more or less in the range of 60%. There still are some swirls in the paint itself, but overall, the paint is in immaculate condition in conjunction of receiving our 2 to 3 year coating from System X, which also comes with a report onto the Carfax, so it significantly helps with the value of the car. Again, you can see the massive transformation on the exterior. We're able to get rid of the rotary marks with ease, and the customer is more than happy and appreciative of the service. Again, this is DW Automotive Detail. We are a local detailing company here in Brazoria County, located in Angleton. We're a full-fledged mobile detail service, serving a multitude of areas. And in this case, this one was in Brazoria. So, hope to see you then.